Hi, welcome to FinancialCharge with William, a place to learn how to supercharge your finances. Let's talk about how to make $1,000 a month through dividend investing. Earn $1,000 a month in dividends is entirely possible. It might be easier to accomplish this than people realize. It just requires time, patience, and consistency. Once you build a dividend stock portfolio that pays you $1,000 a month, you can reinvest the money, pay bills, go on vacations, early retire, or for anything you want. Life gets a lot easier once you have that extra cash flow coming in. I will show you how to make $1,000 a month in dividends. You could start earning passive income while you sleep. If you liked the video and learned something new from it, share it. Hit that like button, subscribe or follow for more financial content. Check out the links in the video description below. How much money do you need to put in your portfolio to generate $1,000 a month? A portfolio over $300,000 in that yields 4.11%. This portfolio generates over $12,000 in monthly dividends per year. The amount you need to invest was $300,000 to get $12,000 a year or $1,000 a month. The amount is varied by high yield or low yield from the stocks. I have invested in both examples. If you invested in a high yield company like Enbridge Incorp, ENB, it's 6.91% yield right now. Your portfolio would need to have $181,000. For a low yield dividend like Microsoft Corporation, 0.84% yield, you would need $1,464,265 invested in your portfolio in just that one stock. If you're interested in calculating dividends for individual stocks, I found a free calculator at mrverk.com. I will have the link in the description below. To have a great portfolio to generate $1,000 a month in dividends, you should have at least 30 stocks in at least 10 different sectors. No stock should be more than 3.33% of your portfolio. If a stock generates around $400 in dividend income each year, 30 of each of these will generate $12,000 a year or $1,000 a month. If you're interested in financial quotes, check out my daily financial quotes on YouTube Shorts. Choose accounts for tax efficiency. You know what stocks you need to invest in, what your average dividend yield is, and how much you need to invest. Now it's time to choose your best investment accounts for your tax efficiency. Because you invest in non-registered accounts, you're likely to earn a lot less than $1,000 per month after tax. If you invest in tax efficiency accounts, you can avoid paying tax altogether. This way you can keep all the dividend income for yourself. Spend some time doing the research on the right account types for your income level. It might be wise to seek out an accountant or a financial advisor if you're new to this altogether. After you decide on the best investment accounts for your situation, open the account and get ready to invest. Start now. Having a diversified portfolio can help manage your risk level. Having a diverse portfolio reduces the volatility of the asset's price points and dividend cuts. You can reduce the risk associated with individual stocks by the general market risk effect. Nearly any stock, and so it is important to diversify among the different sectors. Having a diversified portfolio is difficult to realize because of the price points. A company cuts or increases the dividends. When the stock goes down, you tend to buy more of the stock on an average down the cost. Some stocks rise faster than others. Then your 3.33% of your portfolio would be closer to like a 9%. The riskier the stock, the more the yield pays. The faster the growth of the stock, the riskier the stock is. Stocks in the financial, REIT, energy sector tend to pay higher yields than technology and growth stocks. Having a diverse portfolio is the best for constant long-term growth on your investments. Investing at a high dividend yield can reduce the amount of investments. I have seen people investing in high yield stocks that pay over 15 to 20% to reach your dividend income faster. Higher yields generally reflects that there's a problem with the company. Is a diverse portfolio important to you? Let us know in the comments below. Usually energy stocks pay around 5 to 6%. Some companies paying 7 to 12% in dividends. The average equity REIT pays around 5%. The average mortgage REIT pays around 10.6%. These companies are risky. I recommend caution investing in these companies. Consistency and reinvest in dividends. To build a stable dividend stock portfolio of $300,000, you'll need patience and consistency. Patience and consistency means you need time and regular monthly contribution to build your sizable dividend portfolio. This table shows you monthly investments of only $1,000 can get you $300,000, and how investments of more annually get you there faster. It'll take you 4.25 years with $300,000 contributing per month at a rate of 8% to build $300,000 portfolio. Let's see if we increase the growth rate at 10%. By increasing the risk level to 10% return, it will take 4.08 years, 48 months, with $3,000 contributing per month. With dividend reinvestments, you are buying more shares with the dividends you are paid, rather than taking the cash. The biggest advantage of reinvesting dividends is the power of compounding returns over time. Your dividends buy more shares. Increasing your dividends the next time lets you buy even more shares, and so on. Reinvesting the dividends can supercharge your returns. And that should reinvesting your dividends can supercharge your returns. And that should be your first choice if you want to grow your dividends faster. Stay up to date with my latest videos and my daily financial quotes. Make sure to subscribe or follow by clicking the button below the video. Check out the video in the links descriptions. Check out my merch, or check out my other social channels. The wrap up. Now that you know how to make $1,000 a month in dividends, it is easier than you thought, right? I'm building my dividend income stream by investing in dividend stocks. I do plan on using the extra income to become financially independent. One of my long-term goals is $1,000 per month from dividends. I work a full-time career and recently started working as a content creator. I am taking a slow financial independent route to get there right now. But if you want to make $1,000 in dividend income faster, there's a few more things you can do to speed up the process. For instance, you can cut out wasteful expenses to save or invest more. Alternatively, you could pursue a higher paying job, a side hustle, or start a business to save and invest more each month. Just remember to focus on the quality stocks that will be able to pay and raise dividends for years to come. Do not just chase high yield dividends. The most important thing is to be consistent, pay yourself first, dollar cost average into quality dividend paying stocks, and reinvest all your dividends. To keep up with that, it's only a matter of time before you make $1,000 per month while you sleep. Wondering about my shirt? It was a proof I made for my merch. I had to redesign it. It didn't turn out quite right. We will see what is about to happen. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, have a good one.